Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the proven affiliate marketing strategy to make $100 per day. So there are three key elements if you actually want to build a profitable affiliate marketing business. The first of all is a proven offer to sell. Second is a proven system to make selling effortless. And the third is obviously traffic. That means visitors, right? Obviously, you need eyeballs on your offer to actually, get sales. Right? And I'm going to explain each of them in detail, all the nuances and everything that you really need to implement on your business. Number one is offer. So first of all, you need a core offer, right? It's important to have a good core offer, and it should have a very low level entry point so that people don't have to think a lot to take action, right? And the best price is $7, $17, $27 or $47. So these are low entry point. And if you promote a product for just a $7, the front end offer of $7, people don't really think a lot to buy it. It's not a lot of money, right? And another type of offer is a free offer. That means it costs $0, and the money you make comes from the upsells that it has and the ecosystem that it has. So basically a long-term game. And you have to make sure that you do not promote any crap, that it should be high quality. Even though the offer is of $7, $17, it should be high quality, and you should be ethical. There are tons and tons of offers on Warrior Plus and JVZoo and these places where offers are crap, like straight up crap. There is nothing in value inside those offers. So make sure you do not choose those type of offers. So make sure to be ethical and do not promote crap. Okay. Number two is system. So what is a system? Well, system makes selling effortless, right? It consists of an opt-in page where you will be able to capture the email address that is a lead with the help of a lead magnet, or send them to direct offer. And then comes thank you page, bridge page, drizzle page, one and the same. And after that comes in automated email follow-ups that follows up with your lead that you got from the opt-in page into your system to close the sale and make money, completely automated. Okay. And then to increase conversions, if you want to stand out from other affiliates, other people, then you need to add some bonuses, add extra value to the original offer that you are promoting. That way you will be able to increase the conversions. I'm going to talk about all of this right now. So the first one is opt-in page. Let's talk about that. Basically, this is what you see, that is an opt-in page, and there are few elements in here which makes it work. All right. I will actually also show you some more examples, but wait a bit. Okay. So first thing in here that you see in action is a lead magnet. By the way, what is a lead magnet? Well, as the name implies, it attracts a person to enter their email address in order to get something out from you. It could be a PDF document, a video course, a simple video, anything of value. In this case, you can see I am giving them a free ebook. A free ebook reveals 2-hour blueprint. Okay, 2-hour blueprint to consistent passive income. Learn how I made this designs, and if they want to get access to this PDF document that I created with all the proof that I'm showing here to attract them even more, they need to enter their email address here and click here. All right. And also your lead magnet should be relevant to the offer you are promoting. So let's say you are giving them a lead magnet of how to reduce their belly fat in 2 months or so, right? And then inside, like in the funnel, in the automated follow-ups that you do on the emails, you sell them something else. You sell them diabetes related something. That won't make any sense, right? You actually need to be congruent in your marketing in order to make sales. And yeah, it is common sense, but I see people do this. And that's why I'm talking about it right here. Okay, now let's talk about more examples. So let me just go back. So first of all, this is that landing page, right? Nothing fancy. Okay, this is the opt-in page. Some people enter here and then goes to thank you page. I will show you the thank you page when time comes, but I actually need to show you some more examples. So here's one of the example. Here I am not giving them any lead magnet, right? I'm directly sending them to the offer. Okay, so it's very simple. Stop the BS, stop going after shiny objects, use the power of this proven ACS system and generate consistent profits time and time again. Now this will invoke their curiosity as I'm talking about an ACS system. Now they'll be like, what is that? Like, what's that will give me generate consistent profits time and time again? right? If they are curious, they will be entering their name and entering their email address. You do not even need to have this name field here. I just put it so that I can address them on my email. All right. Then they go to the offer, and if they like the offer, if they like the sales page, they will buy it. If they don't like it, I will have my automated email follow-ups in the back end, which I will show you an example to promote that offer over and over again to try and close the sale. Okay. And this one is another one. Another example, free course reveals one focus $100 per day with affiliate marketing and one strategy 100% free traffic. Now here my lead magnet is a free course, a complete course. Now this course is not created by me. This is created by someone else. This is the $0 offer that I talked about. Remember? So when someone comes in and purchases it for $0, they get showed a message or a page with an upsell. And if they buy it, I make money. And if they don't, that's okay. They go through the course and the course is high quality, right? They go through the course and they have the option to upgrade again in there. And if they find value and if they upgrade there, I will make money. Okay. And this is the third one. This is called a free training reveals my secret partner funnel that's building online businesses from scratch, and how to copy paste it in less than 10 minutes, right? This really invokes curiosity. Now, what the hell is partner funnel and how they can copy paste, and there is no budget, no tech skills required, right? They will be entered their email address and, just, click on here and see my information that I'm giving them. All right. So that is what an opt-in page looks like. It's very simple to create. You just need to be able to invoke curiosity, enough curiosity so that they will be able to enter their email address. And of course, your lead magnet or the offer that you're promoting should be high quality. Otherwise, those leads are pointless. Now, when they enter their email here, they get sent to something called a thank you page. Now, you can call this a pre-sale page, warm-up page, bridge page, thank you page, right? One and the same, right? This is the best place to introduce to your offer. So if you're providing them a lead magnet, which I am doing in that ebook, right? The previous example, they get sent to this page right here. And this video is not even mine. This is from Michelle O'Neill, and I'm promoting a product called Legacy Builders Program in this page right here. So let me show you that page. Okay, so this is the page right here. There's some social proof and just a couple of buttons. Very simple. So whenever they watch this video, and if they want to, make $300 to $900 per day from their cell phone or laptop, right? They will click on here. They will buy the program, and I will be able to make a commission. And the lead magnet that I promised them will be sent to them via email. So let me open that up, and let's go to the next element, right? What happens behind the scenes is you will be sending them automated emails that you set up once. All right. So this is a couple of ways that you can do. So this is from GetResponse that I do. So here you can set up automations, and this is simple email sequences. Both works. All right. So a series of automated emails that provide value to them and constantly remind them about your offer. So this is important right here. If you just send them, buy this, buy that, they will simply unsubscribe, or they will simply not open your emails. And in future, these signals tells Google and Yahoo and all these email platforms that your emails are kind of spam, and it will start to go to spam, which you do not want to do. Be a good marketer, be an ethical marketer, provide them value, and by delivering them value, you can, just add a link, just add a recommendation, and constantly remind them about your offer that you're promoting. For example, here you go, let me just open that up real quick. So this is the campaigns for the Legacy Builder program that I promoted, for example, right? So these are about 14 emails in here, and you can see people come in here. So this is a person, right? He started from over here and came in here. This is another person right here. So overall, about 140, 150, 160 people that went through this sequence. That you can see about 47% opened, my email here, and about 27% is total clicks, right? You can track the stats and, change emails based on the stats. So if there is a poor stat right here, so for example, 16% or 11%, right? This one, right? What would you do? This email is not doing well. I can go ahead and change that email and improve the stats right here. So basic trial and error. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Have automated email follow-ups, have good follow-ups that provide value and that sells your product. All right, the next element is bonuses. So why bonuses? Well, bonuses increases the value of the offer you are promoting. Like if you do this right, if you provide relevant, good bonuses, you will easily 3 to 5x your earnings. For example, if you're promoting a training about YouTube training, if you're promoting a training about YouTube, then a bonus of YouTube SEO checklist can be a good bonus, right? If you're promoting a software, you can create an additional tutorial videos on how they can do certain things with much ease. You can give them one-on-one calls as a bonus. You can give them personal support and such. All these increases the perceived value of the original offer that you're promoting, and as a result you will be increasing your conversions. That means you will be able to make more money. So now you have all these things set up, right? You have the opt-in page set up, you have the offer, the thank you page, you have the bonuses, the email sequences, everything is ready, right? Now what? Now you need traffic, right? You need eyeballs. You need visitors to make money. So there are two types of traffic. One is free traffic and another is paid traffic. Free traffic, pick a platform and build an audience. You can pick YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Quora, Pinterest, and there are more platforms that you can choose from. These are the highly popular ones. And if you like to do long form content, select YouTube. If you want to do short form, TikTok or Instagram or even YouTube Shorts. If you like to engage with people, go to Quora and answer questions, build your profile, build your group there and go from there, right? You can even do this on Facebook. I do it on Facebook too. And then there is paid traffic, right? You pay for ads to show your offer or system that you created and get profits. Okay, Facebook ads, Google ads, Microsoft ads, PPV, pay-per-view ads, native ads. There's all sorts of ads, all sorts of media buying platforms that you can get traffic from. Now for a beginner, I always talk and choose free traffic because they will learn a lot. They will learn about conversions. They will learn how to bring in traffic. What makes people buy your stuff. But yes, it's kind of long term. You need to wait 2 months, 3 months, 5 months to actually see good results with free traffic. But for paid traffic, if you have money, if you have the budget, if you can spend $1,000 per month, easily you can start with paid ads and actually make a lot of money. So that's the main 3 elements if you want to actually make money. And if you want to, really see me do it, like everything I talked about here in this video, I did in this case study right here, $0 to $100 day affiliate case study. I went ahead and I found the right offer, right? I researched the offers. I have several offers that I show you. I select one and I create the opt-in page and the thank you page for that live in front of you over the shoulder. I add the bonuses. I drive traffic, traffic generation modules in here, and then email automation, the emails that I wrote, and the results finally. And yes, I did achieve $100 per day. And the screenshot right here is from that case study. And it's available for peanuts, and the price will increase after the first 10 sales. So if you want, you can actually go ahead and check out that case study in the link below. And if you don't want, that's fine. You see all these elements that is required to be successful with affiliate marketing or even promoting your own product, doesn't matter. So make sure to have these 3 key elements: a proven offer, a proven system that works for you. That is, the opt-in page, the thank you page, the automated email follow-ups, and of course, find good bonuses to increase your conversion rates, and you will be able to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, let me know. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.